All right, guys, we're here with Jay this morning. So you can see Jay's recessed some through here. Great looking guy, just lost most of his hairline here. Still has some good hair in the middle. We've got some recession here. Has hair. We just need to recreate a hairline that's appropriate for Jay's age. And then reinforce this area and then cascade back towards the crown area. The crown's important to Jay, but it's not his main event. We just want to reframe this face and, you know, make him look as good as he can. Nothing wrong with that. Matching goatees.
I was probably in my early 30s and I was sitting on the couch on the floor and one of my daughters said, "Hey, Dad, what's this spot on your head? There's no hair here." And inside I'm kind of going, oh my gosh, it's starting. In the last year I embarked on a new journey. Basically that was to get myself physically fit to where I could compete on stage as an amateur bodybuilder. I just didn't realize just how much the bright light reveals the truth. Sometimes you just get so used to your look that you don't really realize just how much you've changed. After meeting with you and discussing some of the options that are available, let me know very candidly and honestly the options that were available to me. I kind of look a little older than I really feel, and I'd like to change that. I've been very sacrificial with my life up to this point. The staff and you have treated me with the utmost professionalism. The radio station that I listen to when I drive daily, I get to hear some of the people that have actually come here. What's interesting is some of those clients have actually gone to somebody else and you guys have fixed procedures that they had undergone that didn't go so well. I didn't just walk into this blindly, and you and your staff went to every level of being able to inform me so that I could make the best decision that I could make, and I believe I did. I'm not trying to get 20-year-old hair. I'm 57, and so with that, I want my hairline to be appropriate for my age. It's important that in all things that we do, we always give it the best that we can. You guys showed just the utmost professionalism as far as making me comfortable and answering questions that I may have and just putting me at ease that everything was going to be okay. I was in good hands. So here's an opportunity for me to recreate a little bit of my past, to bring it into my future, and that's what I'm hoping is going to happen today. I feel pretty amazing, to tell you the truth. I mean, it's been a total transformation for me. You are a man of your word, and here's the results. You're looking at it. I was a little self-conscious before. I'm going to, be very honest with that. Being in those, business meetings, talking to potential clients, even in social atmospheres, it's like you could find me almost posturing to try to hide what I was dealing with, and now I don't do that anymore. With that, I think I maybe stand a little taller. Okay, I've dated a couple times since this grown back, and they saw me before, and they're like going, "Oh my God, that's amazing. How did you get that awesome wave in the front of your hair? Where did that come from?" Because the few strands I had were just kind of going any direction they felt like it. And it's just like, look at this. How did this happen? There was no pushiness about this. The process itself is what built the confidence in me and the assurance in me to move forward and make the decision that I did. Didn't Robert Downey Jr. When he was standing at the podium, he finally says, "I am Iron Man." Well, I am Hair Man. I would, without hesitation, endorse and proclaim this facility and this staff, and again, the incredible experience that I've had, with them. You guys are a well-oiled machine, and I'm glad that I can become one of your success stories, and that's an incredible feeling.